Hello everyone, welcome back to Mathinik. This channel is all about making math simple, clear, and easy to understand. If you enjoy solving math problems step by step, you are in the right place. We are given that 3.14 is equal to a plus 1 divided by the quantity b plus 1 divided by c. The values a, b, and c are positive integers. First, we look at the number 3.14. The whole number part of 3.14 is 3. Since a must be a positive integer, we let a be equal to 3. Next, we subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. This gives 0.14 equals 1 divided by the quantity b plus 1 divided by c. To remove the fraction on the right side, we take the reciprocal of both sides. 1 divided by 0.14 is equal to 50 over 7. So now the equation becomes b plus 1 divided by c equals 50 over 7. Next, we convert 50 over 7 into a mixed number. 50 divided by 7 is 7 with a remainder of 1. So 50 over 7 is equal to 7 plus 1 over 7. By comparing both sides, we see that b must be equal to 7. We also see that 1 divided by c must be equal to 1 over 7. This means that c is equal to 7. Finally, we add the values of a, b, and c. a is 3, b is 7, c is 7. 3 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 17. Therefore, the value of a plus b plus c is 17. If you enjoyed this problem, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Mathinik. See you in the next math challenge.